Are you looking for a place to park your idle cash? Maybe you've heard of StashAway Simple and its promise of easy, low-risk returns. It sounds great, right? A cash management account that offers better rates than a traditional savings account, with no lock-ins and no complicated requirements. It's the perfect solution for your emergency fund or for saving up for that next big purchase. But then, that little voice in your head pipes up, is this too good to be true? In a world where scams and market volatility are all over the news, it's only natural to be skeptical. We're constantly told to be careful with our money. So when a platform says it's simple and offers a higher return, you have to ask, just how safe is it? Is StashAway Simple guaranteed to be safe? Well, let's peel back the layers and find out exactly what StashAway Simple is and where your money is actually going. Because understanding the mechanics is the only way to truly understand the risk, or lack thereof. Unlike a traditional savings account where your money is held directly by the bank, StashAway Simple works a little differently. It's an investment product, a cash management portfolio. Your money isn't just sitting in a regular bank account, it's being invested in ultra-low-risk assets. Specifically, it goes into things like money market funds and other fixed-income instruments. Think of it as a pool of money from various investors, which is then used to buy a diversified basket of very safe, short-term financial instruments. This is how it's able to generate a higher return than what you'd get from your typical bank. Now, for the million-dollar question, is it guaranteed safe? The short answer is, no, nothing is ever 100% guaranteed. But the longer, more useful answer is that it is designed to be ultra-low risk, and the risks it does have are minimal and specific. The primary risk is the extremely unlikely event that the underlying banks or funds go insolvent. However, StashAway states that they work with reputable, licensed, and regulated financial institutions, and your funds are held in segregated accounts with custodian banks, separate from StashAway's own finances. This is a crucial safety measure. It means that even if StashAway itself were to go out of business, your money is still your money and is protected. This is a key difference from a traditional bank account, which is typically protected by a deposit insurance scheme. StashAway Simple, as an investment product, is not covered by such a scheme. This is the main trade-off for the higher returns and greater flexibility it offers. So, while it's not a guarantee in the same way that a government-backed bank deposit is, it's about as close as you can get for a non-guaranteed investment. The security comes from the rigorous regulatory oversight of the financial institutions it works with and the structure of how your assets are held. It's a calculated risk, but one that is designed to be as minimal as possible for a cash management solution. It's safe enough for many to use as an emergency fund, but you must be aware that it operates in a different category than a traditional, government-insured savings account. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.